Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. Today we bought this korika fish and my Ammu is going to prepare it in two different ways. Let's go see how she prepares. Two different ways because me and my Bunu likes to eat it in one way and she likes to eat it another way. So she's going to prepare both. In the first one, she's first separating both of them and adding all the spices and the onions, tomatoes, potatoes, everything, all the things she's adding, the tomatoes also, and then she's going to cover and boil. And in here is the other way. She's first putting turmeric on the fishes and then frying it very nicely, and after it is very crispy and fried very well, she's going to take it out and then she's going to add more oil, fry the onions, the green chilies, and then there will be, and here this dish, as you can see, is getting boiled and she's just stirring it a little bit. And then here comes the potatoes, and then there is the ginger garlic paste, salt, all the masalas and spices, well, turmeric, red chili powder, roasted cumin, and coriander powder, then water. And then we are going to put the tomatoes, and when it is all soft and together, we are going to put back our fish. This is the way me and my Bunu likes to eat, and the other dish is the way how my Ammu likes to eat it. This one. Both of the dishes are ready. This is so beautiful, so yummy, so delicious. Don't forget to comment down below which one's your favorite. Bye bye, ma salama.